As you can see, the valve cover number is a BR3Z 6582-R, and this comes straight from Ford. So we're going to go ahead and put this in. First things first, you're going to see it comes with all the different bolts that you have to have. There's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 of them all together. Some retaining studs, so you have to have a deep well to put these on. And then of course the bolts that you have here on these 3, 4, 5 different positions. So this is the cover. It comes with the VCT solenoid gaskets pre-installed, and then this is the oil fill cap. That's how we know this is the left hand, because this is where you fill the oil in, and the other cover will not have that. Then you have the gaskets that are of course pre-installed here too. So we're all set. Everything is pre-done for us. So all we have to do is take the old one off and then slide everything back in, and we're good to go. Now, when you do buy it again, this comes pre-ready, pre-assembled for you. You already have the gasket pre-installed along with these other gaskets. So this is one assembled unit that all you have to do is take the old one off and put the new one on. First things first, we'll go ahead and get this negative terminal loosened up and removed. We can go ahead, pull this off. Just squeeze this thing and get that going there. Same thing for this. Pull this breather tube off of there and set it off to the side. Here, clip has a little Christmas tree. Just pull it off, and then we want to set that off. But remember, the top one is the cream colored one, goes to the first one, and the next one down is a black. So we'll remember that here as we go. Then we have this little Christmas tree thing here. Then we want to gently push these back, pull off all our coils. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is getting it where we need it to be. Now I had to get a deep well. We're going to employ the ratchet. But I know one thing that's holding this up is this darn wire. There we go. I knew that was going to hold it up. There we go. It turns out just like a PCV valve. Now we just install this back on. There you go. Now the next thing I have to do is clean this all up. Being very careful. Try not to get crud in there. As you can see, this is difficult to get into. You gotta be careful so that don't fall into the engine. There's really no comfortable way to do this. Nice and clean. Now, what I have to do is get a clean rag and spray that down with a little bit of brake clean so it'll seal. Now I gotta use this here. And you can buy the Ford stuff, or in this case it's JB Weld Ultimate Black gasket maker sealants for maximum oil resistance and temperature. So you could use this. You don't need much, that's the problem. Just need to put it on that little crack right there where the cover meets the head. Just so you don't get an oil leak right there. Now we can start torquing them all down. And we have to have 89 inch-pounds in order to torque all these down. So we'll go ahead and get our torque wrench going. So we're going to start out with number 1, which is up here. Not very tight, folks. Number 2, which is the bottom. Yep, we're all done. Well, folks, that's that. That's that. Now we're going to go ahead and guess put everything back together. Rest assured, I have it replaced. In about 6 to 8 weeks, I should know if my oil consumption has lessened due to this new valve cover. So we shall see what happens, how it all works out, and did it reduce the oil consumption in 10,000 miles and I don't lose a quart of oil. If not, then we can say, well, it's either the engine, as you can see, probably not, or the valve cover. Either way, we're going to figure it out, and we're going to find out, but make sure you like, subscribe, join Facebook, MACT Ford Edge on Facebook, MACT Garage on Facebook, MACT Ford Edge here in this channel, and also MACT Garage YouTube channel. And don't forget the MACT Garage website, www.type, and get all your parts and information on your Ford Edges there. But rest assured, my feet hit the floor today, and I'm having a great day. And I want you to have a great day, too, while you're listening to this great music from the Band of One and Mercy Girl tossing a couple of one-liners at you, as she always does. Have a great day.
Thank you for watching MACT's videos, and remember to like and subscribe. This is a Mercy Girl production.